Hello students, now we will start with class 7th exercise number 2b. So the question is representation of a rational number on a number line. Example I have given you here. Represent rational numbers minus 3 by 2, minus 1 by 2, 2, 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 5 by 2 on a number line. So what we have to do, first we will draw a line of suitable length. So this is the line of suitable length. So here you can see how many numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rational number we have to represent over here. And here denominator is 2. So what you do, you divide this whole line into 0.5 centimeter. Take it as 0, this one, and this, yeah. So you take some point, let this be 0. So this will be 1 by 2, this will be 1, and this will be your 2, and here this side minus 1 by 2, then this will be minus 1, then this will be your minus 3 by 2, start, then this is 2, this 2, and this will be minus 5 by 2, and here it will be 5 by 2, and this will be 3. So you have to draw a number line according to some suitable length, then you have to divide the parts, then you have to label it like this. Since the denominator is 2, so I have divided each unit into two parts. This one part and this is the second part, and this is the first part and this is the second part. Now we will point out all these numbers given over here. So first is minus 3 by 2. So this is your minus 3 by 2. You can label it by some letter P, and this is minus 1 by 2. This is your half or 1 by 2. This is your 3 by 2, and this is your 5 by 2. So these letters P, Q, R, S, T represents the rational number given to you on a number line. Now let's take up one more question. To represent 3 by 4 and minus 1 by 4 on a number line. So again we will draw a line segment of definite or proper length. Let this be 0. This will be 1 by 4. This will be this will be 2 by 4. This will be 3 by 4, and this will be 4 by 4, which is your 1. And from here this is minus 1 by 4, minus 2 by 4, minus 3 by 4, and this is minus 1. So you have to represent this 3 by 4 and minus 1 by 4. So this is your minus 1 by 4, and this is your 3 by 4. So like this way you have to represents the given rational number on a number line. So let's move on to next question. So now let's start with comparing rational numbers. So before going to the questions, you should keep this point in mind. Every positive rational number is greater than 0 and negative numbers. So for example, every positive is your this 8 is greater than 0, and this positive number is also greater than the negative numbers. Second point is that every negative rational number is less than 0 and positive number. So minus 8 is less than 0 and minus 8 is also less than 93. Now let's start the question by comparing some numbers. If you have given 3 by 5 to compare 3 by 5 and 5 by 7. So what we have to do, first step we have to take the LCM of 5 and 7, which is 35. Now we have to make the denominator each of rational number equal to LCM. So required denominators are 35. So we will multiply 3 by 5 with 7 to get 35 as denominator, which will be equal to 21 by 35, and this will be equal to 25 by 35. So between these two rational number, which is greater? 25 by 35 is greater than 21 by 35. So this means that 5 by 7 is greater than 3 by 5. Next question, let's take up minus 3 by 7 and 8 by minus 15. So children, you see, before starting this type of question, you have to make this rational number into a standard form. So minus 3 by 5 and this will be your minus 8 by 15. So now you have to take the LCM of 7 and 15. So LCM of 7 and 15 is 105, since they don't have any common multiples. So what we will do, so we will multiply these two. So 105 will be your answer. Now let's make this 3 by 7. So 3 minus 3 multiply by 15 and 7 multiply by 15 to get the denominator 105. So this will be your minus 45 by 105. And similarly minus 8 by 5 will become, again you multiply by 7, so it will become minus 56 by 105. So you can see these are two negative rational number. So which is greater? Obviously minus 45 is greater than minus 56. So minus 45 by 105 is greater than minus 56 by 105. So which implies minus 3 by 7 is greater than minus 8 by 15. So this is the second type of question. Always remember to convert the negative rational numbers, the negative denominators which you are having, into a standard form. Next is to compare 5 by minus 9 and minus 5 upon minus 9. So what we do, again we have to convert into the standard form. What is the standard form? We have to make the denominator positive. So this is minus 5 by 9 and this will be your minus got cancelled, so it will be 5 by 9. So obviously here positive rational number will be greater. So minus 5 by 9 is less than 5 by 9. So which implies 5 by minus 9 is smaller than minus 5 by minus 9. So this is how you have to do the comparing questions. Now come to question number 4. Arrange in ascending order. the following rational numbers. It has been given to you some rational numbers. They have to convert into ascending order. You have to arrange them in ascending order. Ascending means smaller one first, then the bigger ones. So here it is minus 9 by 10, 7 upon minus 8, and this is 3 by 4. So before start doing the question, you have to convert them into standard form. So minus 9 by 10, this is minus 7 by 8, and this is 3 by 4. So we have to take the LCM of 10, 8, 4, which is your 40. Now we have to make the denominators equal to the LCM. So obviously by multiplying here with 4 and here with 5 and here with 10. So you will get minus 36 by 40, minus 35 by 40, minus 30 by 40. So which is smaller? These are all negative. The smaller is this one, minus 36, then minus 35, then minus 30. Then after this, minus 36 by 40 is less than minus 35 by 40, and this is minus 30 by 40. So this is the order, ascending order. Now we will write the true rational number over here. This is minus 9 by 10 is less than minus 7 by 8, which is less than minus 3 by 4. So this is how you have to arrange in ascending order. You should try the other given questions in your exercise. Now moving on to next question. Arrange the following in descending order. So numbers given to you, rational numbers: 5 upon minus 8, minus 7 upon 12, 13 by 24. So here again you have to convert into standard form. So 5 upon minus 8 will become minus 5 upon 8, minus 7 by 12, and this is minus 13 by 24. Taking out the LCM, you will get 24 the LCM. Now we have to make our denominators equal to the LCM. So in first number we have to multiply by 3, both numerator and denominator, and here with 2, and since it is 24, so multiply by 1. So you will be getting here minus 15 by 24, and here minus 14 by 24, and here minus 13 by 24. So out of these three, which one is greater? So obviously minus 13 is greater out of the three rational number, then minus 14, then minus 15. So minus 13 by 24 is greater than minus 14 by 24, which is greater than minus 15 by 24. So we will write there, after this we will write their true rationals number from which they have been derived out. It is minus 13 by 24 is greater than minus 7 by 12 is greater than minus 5 by 8. This is how you have to solve the other given questions given in your book, given in your exercise. So first thing, always remember to convert it into the standard form. Then you have to take out the LCM. If the denominators are different, then you have to make the denominators equal to the LCM. Then you have to find out which one is greater and which one is the least, and we have to arrange accordingly.